Hi boys and girls, so today for your math homework, what you have to do is you have to use place value discs to solve each problem and solve it vertically. I had started this one for you in 41 minus 16, so remember you always subtract from the ones. If you have one cookie, you can't take 6 away. There's more on the floor, so when there's more on the floor, you go next door and borrow 10 more. So if I had 4 10s and I take 1 away, I'm left with 3. So I cross out the 4 and put a 3. And then I add my 10 to my 1 and you get 11. So you just put a 1 here. So I drew 41 here. So what you'll need to do is you will need to unbundle a 10. So you cross out a 10 and you add your 10 ones. So there's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you can solve the problem. It says take 6 ones away. So you cross out 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then it says cross out 1 10. So if we count what we have left, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 10s. So my answer here, 11 minus 6, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So I'm going to put a 5 in here. And 3 10s minus 1 10 is in your left with 2. So as you'll see, 25 equals 25. So I want you to go ahead and continue with this. Do your best. Remember the rule. When there's more on the floor, go next door and borrow 10 more. So what that means is when the number on the bottom is bigger than the number on the top, you have to borrow. You have to unbundle a 10 for 10 ones. Have a good day. Bye.